Snuggle is a brand of fabric softener sold by Henkel North American Consumer Goods in the United States and Canada. The brand was launched in 1983 by Unilever. The product is available in sheets or liquid, in concentrate and non-concentrate forms. In September 2008, Vestar Capital Partners acquired the North American, United States, Canada and Puerto Rico laundry business of Unilever, which included the Snuggle, Wisk, All, Surf and Sunlight brands. The former Unilever businesses were combined with Huish Detergents Incorporated to form the Sun Products Corporation.On June 24, 2016. Henkel Consumer Goods Incorporated, a subsidiary of Henkel AG Co. KGaA. Henkel signed a definitive agreement to acquire the Sun Products Corporation. The transaction was valued at $3.5 billion. Mascot. Since 1983, the Snuggle Bear has been the mascot for the Snuggle line of fabric softener. The puppet was created by Kermit Love. The voice was originally provided by Corinne Orr. In a 2006 radio interview, Mickey Dolenz stated that he was the voice of Snuggle at that time. As of late 2009, the bear is voiced by Elena M. Schloss, a New York animation and commercial voice-over actress. Recalls. In 2001, 150,000 Snuggle Teeny Bean Bears included with the sales of the product were recalled because the pom-pom of their nightcaps could detach and pose a choking hazard to babies and toddlers. In 2002, 4 million stuffed bears distributed with Snuggle fabric softener were recalled when they too were determined to form a choking hazard to small children because the eyes and nose could come off. See also. Comfort. References. External links. Snuggle product page, US. Snuggle product page, Canada.